Hello everyone. Today we'll be showing you how to connect Tryinteract with Activecampaign. If you're new to Activecampaign, check out the free trial link in the description. If you're already a user, simply log in and follow along. First, go to the app section and search for the Zapier app, which we'll use to connect Activecampaign with Tryinteract. Click on Set this app up, and if you don't have a Zapier account yet, create one now. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Zapier dashboard. Next, click on Create and select Zaps. If needed, use the Copilot for assistance. Choose both Tryinteract and Activecampaign from the list, then enter all the required details on the right-hand side. To connect your Activecampaign account, you'll need your API URL and API key. Go to your Activecampaign account, navigate to Settings, then Developer, and copy the necessary information. Paste these details into the required fields. Then click on Sign in to Tryinteract and enter your API details to connect your Tryinteract account. After configuring all your settings, click Continue. Once everything is set up, click Publish, and you're done. And if you're looking to quickly grow your email list while also earning high-ticket commissions, I've got a free training program for you, linked in the description below. It's completely free and super easy to get started, so be sure to check it out if you want to build your list more effectively. Your viewership of our video is incredibly important to us. Thank you for being a part of it.